This is a 2010 GMC Sierra 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, front and rear reading lights, external temperature display, and this vehicle has less than 41,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.